Hey, you must be Matt, John's cousin, right? From San Diego?
That's me. I just arrived last night.
Nice. I'm Jake, John's roommate from college. Great to finally meet you. And don't believe everything John has told you about me.
Haha, good to meet you too. Yeah, John has definitely mentioned you. Something about a football star and a legendary partygoer.
Football, yes. And okay, I do enjoy a good party. But enough about me. Tell me more about yourself. What's life like in San Diego?
Well, I'm more of a surfer than a football guy. San Diego's got amazing beaches, so I spend a lot of time catching waves during the day and hanging out by bonfires at night.
That sounds incredible. How long are you visiting?
I'll be here for about 2 weeks. John's got a packed schedule for me, meeting new people, checking out cool spots around town, and hopefully even a little camping trip in the mountains.
That sounds like John. He knows all the best places and pretty much everyone around here. You're in good hands, and we'll make sure you have a great time.
Thanks, I really appreciate that. I'm still shaking off the jet lag, but by tomorrow, I'll be ready to go. Can't wait to see what John has planned.
No worries, we'll make sure you settle in. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll all show up at your place in San Diego, ready to hit the waves.